Chef Pete is here. Today, you know what? I'm taking convenience and a beautifully low saturated fat meat, turkey tenders, and I'm putting the two together. So I'm going to use a slow cooker over here with turkey tenders that take about 2 hours, 2.5 hours at high, maybe three and a half, a little bit more on low on your slow cooker. And now we're in summertime, so we want to keep our houses cool. And we want the convenience because healthy eating trends are good, but you gotta make them tasty. And to make it tasty, we have to put it in our slow cooker the way I'm going to do it. But you can do it your way if you so like. Okay, so here we have the way we start this. I'm going to put 2 cups of water in the bottom of our slow cooker. And I've got our turkey tenders here in this dish. And what we're going to do is take our turkey tenders and we're going to put them in our slow cooker right on the bottom in the water. Just as they are, right in. Right in. Okay. So there they go. They're now in our slow cooker. And then what we need to do is get some olive oil on them. We need some olive oil. Gonna give it a little olive oil here. Just a little bit. And then I want some salt and pepper. I need to get my fingers here. Salt. And some pepper. Right on our turkey tenders. And then oregano. Okay, and some garlic powder. Little garlic powder right on top. I'm making this somewhat similar to the way I would season it if I was roasting it in the oven at 350, or actually for these, 325 would be what you want to roast them in the oven. And this is an easy, convenient way to use your slow cooker and make a nice, delicious meal for your family with a vegetable, a salad, and maybe some starch, either rice or stuffing or mashed potatoes or potatoes, okay? All right, so there we have it. So all we're going to have to do with this is close our lid, and we're going to cook him at high for about, set it for 3 hours, check it about 2.5 hours to see if your finger goes and it springs back, you know he's cooked. And that's all there is to this. So I'm going to close our lid and we'll see you later, and I'll show you how this looks on the plate as we feed our family here at Carpizzo's Kitchen. So we want to thank you all. Thanks for watching all the videos and all the comments. I appreciate it. I try to answer as fast as I can. So here we have it today. Turkey tenders, the convenient slow cooker way. Pete at Carpizzo's, as always, out.